Hey everybody, what is going on? I'm Nick. I'm also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what that video series is, it is my annual card making event for the holidays. 12 full days full of Christmas cards. You can check that out as well as check out this year's giveaways at thebeardedhousewife.com/holiday event. Today we are making this cool Christmas tree insert card. It has kind of a retro feel to it. It can be made on any of the Cricut cutting machines. The Cricut Joy version does use the Cricut Joy insert card packs that includes the envelope. However, the Cricut Explore and Maker series version does come with an envelope that kind of continues the theme of the card. If you haven't yet, make sure that you hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. To access my free file library, we're going to head to my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password to enter. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library, type in the password, and then you'll be brought to all the files. Now, at the time of this recording, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife projects loaded into my file library. So there is a graphic that is popping up right now that will tell you the design number of the project that you are watching the video for. So you will click that hyperlink and download the file onto your computer. Go ahead and unzip that file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and then Upload. Highlight that image, and then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. It'll bring the project into our canvas. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. Okay, now the first thing that we need to do, we need to head up to Ungroup the Design, and then scroll down to where you find the envelope. That is this file right here, or this layer I should say. Highlight the score line. This is the score line, this is the cut layer. So highlight the score line, head over to Operation, and change that to Score. Then go back to that group, highlight it, and then click Attach. Let's move that out of the way. And now for the card base, that's this right here, we're going to change that score line, just like we just did. And now for the Merry Christmas, we want to change that so that the Cricut can draw that out for us. So head up to Operation, change that to Pen, and then right here is where you can change the color of the pen. I'm actually going to use the red fine point pen. There we go. Then highlight that group, and then click Attach. Now we can head up to Make It. You can head over to Continue. And I'm going to select Medium Cardstock. You'll see that it's saying to load the scoring wheel and then the pen. I'm going to go ahead and do that and get everything cut out. Step 4. Cut out the design. Okay, for this project, we're going to need our cutting mat, our different cardstocks, Cricut brayer, Cricut scraper, a weeding tool just in case, glue or adhesive, the pen of your color choice, and the scoring wheel or scoring stylus. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when everything's all done. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that we have everything cut out, we can go ahead and start to assemble. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add the little embellishments here. Let's start with the star. Grab my tweezers here. That helps me with the little pieces. Press that down. And then the tree stump. Give that a little press. Can you see that? All right, now that we have that done, we can go ahead and fold the card along the score line. Then with the Cricut scraper, go ahead and give that a good press, burnish the fold. Here we go. Now we can go ahead and open up the card. Take our insert layer and place that in the corners. You want to do this part gently. Press down on the card, and there we go. Isn't that cute? I love how the cutout right here really frames the tree too. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and do the envelope now. First thing you're going to want to do is to fold along the score lines, of course. Take your scraper again and burnish all of the folds. Now, the inlay is going to just lay right like that. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add glue to the outer edge here. And then right along the inside, especially right around the cutout. And a couple of dots right there. Now take your inlay, give it a good press, flip the card around, pull in the side flaps, and then add your glue to the bottom portion of the side flaps, and then take your thumbs and push up with the bottom flap and then press that down, and your envelope is all done. Press out that glue that got there. There we go. Isn't that cute? How simple are these? I love insert cards. They go by so fast. I think last year I made 50 or 60 of them for my family and friends, and I knocked them out in about an hour or 2 hours. That's with kids and a husband. I hope that you like this card. If you do, make sure that you tag me in social media, #holidayswiththehousewife or #bearded housewife. check out my Facebook group with lots of other card making and Cricut enthusiasts. That is facebook.com/groups/Cricut Cards Paper Crafts. There's also a link in the description for you. I hope to see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.